To get your Phantom Wallet private key, follow these steps. Please note that this method should only be used with caution, as private keys provide full control over your wallet and its funds. Access Phantom Wallet. Open the Phantom Wallet browser extension or mobile app. Navigate to Settings. In the wallet interface, click on the menu icon to open the settings. View private key. Look for the option labeled Export private key or View private key. This may require re-entering your password or confirming your identity. Verify identity. Phantom Wallet may ask for additional verification, such as entering your recovery phrase or using biometric verification, to ensure the user is authorized to view the private key. Securely store your private key. After verifying your identity, your private key will be displayed. It's crucial to securely store this private key in a safe location, as losing it could result in permanent loss of access to your wallet. Use private key. With your private key, you can import your wallet into other compatible wallets or recovery tools to regain access. Be cautious. Only share your private key with trusted sources. Avoid sharing it online or storing it insecurely, as private keys grant full control over your wallet's funds.